Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on SoloLearn. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the SoloLearn application on your device. And once you open it up, make sure that you are logged in using your credentials. After logging in, you will end up within the homepage, from which you can directly start learning various different lessons. Now, if you wish to delete your account and don't wish to use SoloLearn anymore, then tap on Profile at the bottom right corner and then tap on the three dots at the top right, which will now show you the settings button. Go ahead and click on it and you will now see the delete account button underneath the account section. Click on this option and you will now be told that this action cannot be undone. Make sure you understand all of the instructions and tap on the delete account button, and you will be required to enter your account password to verify your identity. After entering your password or clicking on the link within your verification email inbox, you will be logged out from your account on SoloLearn and your account will be scheduled for deletion. Make sure not to log back in for at least 1 month and your account will be permanently deleted. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on the SoloLearn application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.